Dependency and Indemnity Compensation, or DIC, is a benefit available to survivors of veterans. But there's probably a lot you don't know about DIC. Hi, welcome to VA Made Easy. I'm VA accredited attorney and U.S. Army combat veteran Ed Farmer. Today, we're going to discuss 8 things you may not have known about DIC. If you need personalized help with your VA disability claim or DIC claim, visit me at vetlawoffice.com. But now, let's get into it. Number 1, surviving spouses are first in line for DIC benefits. So your ex-wife isn't going to get it. Your parents usually aren't eligible unless they're financially dependent on you. And number 2, adult children are almost never eligible for DIC benefits. There are some rare exceptions. One of the exceptions is if that child was incapable of self-support before the age 18. In other words, that child is completely disabled before they're 18. They may be eligible to receive DIC benefits if there is no spouse involved. Number 3, spouses have to be married to the veteran for at least 1 year before the death in order to be eligible. One exception to this rule is if that surviving spouse has a child with the veteran. Number 4, remarrying after the veteran's death may make you ineligible for DIC benefits. However, the rules have changed a lot and can be complicated, and so it really depends on when the death occurred and when the remarriage occurred. Number 5, the surviving spouse cannot have intentionally caused the death of the veteran. So the surviving spouse cannot have murdered the veteran and then collect his DIC benefits. Number 6, the primary way to prove DIC is by showing that the veteran's death was a primary result or contributory result of a service-connected condition. So if the veteran had prostate cancer and they died of prostate cancer, that would be considered a service-connected condition that caused the veteran's death. Number 7, an exception to that previous rule is the 10-year rule. If the veteran is totally disabled for 10 years or more, his death will be considered service-connected regardless of what he dies from. So if he gets hit by a bus, but he's been 100% for at least 10 years or more, his death will be considered service-connected. And number 8, if the veteran wasn't service-connected before he died, you could still prove his death is service-related. So maybe the veteran didn't receive any disability compensation. He died from coronary artery disease. He served in Vietnam where he was exposed to Agent Orange. Agent Orange causes coronary artery disease. You can still retroactively go back and win the DIC case. And that does it, guys. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. If you need additional help, visit me at vetlawoffice.com. And as always, you have the power to change your VA claim.